How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Baby Shiba Inu. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first off, you guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet app on your guys' mobile device. Once you guys have done that, we're going to go ahead and open our web browser. We're going to go on this website called CoinGecko. We're going to go ahead and go on the search bar, and we're going to go ahead and type in Baby Shiba Inu. Alright, we're going to go ahead and click on that. Alright, so this website basically tells you the statistics of the cryptocurrency coins and how they've been doing for the past year, past month, past 2 weeks, up to the past hour. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and scroll right back up. We're going to go ahead and click on Show Info. Alright, so right under Info, there's going to be a little, it's going to say Contract. We're going to go over to the right where it says a little, where you guys see those two little icon boxes right next to the wolf. We're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to go ahead and copy this coin address to our mobile device. Next, we're going to go to this other website called PancakeSwap. On this website, it's basically a site where we're going to go ahead and do our transactions, where we're going to go ahead and convert our cryptocurrency, let's say Ethereum or the BNB coin, into the Baby Shiba Inu. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go ahead and connect our wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. All right, so this is going to give you three options: Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. We're going to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect, and then from here, we're going to go ahead and click on the Trust icon. After that, we're going to go ahead and click on Connect. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and go back over to our browser. All right, so you're just going to see four icons on the bottom. So it's going to say trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on the trade icon. After we've done that, you guys can a way you guys can see that your guys' wallet has successfully connected. You guys can see on the right top corner, you can see a little wallet. If you guys click on that, you guys are going to see that it gives you the option to disconnect. And another way, you guys can see that I have a balance of BNB. You guys can see that it says 0.003. That means it's actually connected to my wallet, and it's actually showing my current balance of BNB. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and click on select the currency, and we're going to go ahead and paste the address that we copied in earlier. So as you guys can see, Baby Shiba Inu, we're going to go ahead and click on import. Once we've done that, you guys can go ahead and read read it if you guys want to, and then after that we're going to go ahead and click on I understand. Go ahead and click on import, and then from here you guys want to before you guys actually do anything else, you guys want to make sure right where it says a little settings icon, we're going to go ahead and click on that, and we're going to see on the slippage tolerance. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set it at 12. Usually if this is the first time you guys are actually converting a coin, it's usually going to appear as 1%, but we want to make sure it's set up at 12. All right, so once that's done, you guys can go ahead and type in the amount. You guys can go ahead and type in max or whatever amount. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and type in 0.01. Actually, let's try 0.05. I'm going to do that because already, all right, after we've done that, you guys can see that 0.005 can actually buy me about what is it, like 108 million Baby Shiba Inu coins, and I want to say 0.005 BNB is like maybe $1 or two. So right after that's done, we're going to go ahead and click on swap, and then we're going to go ahead and click on confirm swap. Oh, it says it did not go through. All right, let's try this. Let's try to raise it up to 15%. Go ahead and click on swap. All right, then it's going to take us to our wallet, and then it's going to say how much it's charging us. So as you guys can see, for the network fee, it's really cheap. It's only charging us 92 cents, which is really cheap compared to Ethereum fees, because Ethereum fees are pretty pricey right now, especially with the coin going up. So like I said, if the Ethereum coin is going up, the higher the fees for Ethereum is also going to go up. But BNB usually stays about the same, which is pretty convenient. So if you guys ever plan on purchasing way more coins, I recommend making sure that they're connected to the BNB smart chain. So yeah, alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Once it's done, I'm going to scroll down. I believe I have mine turned on. So if this is your first time purchasing it, you guys would not be able to see it on your guys' wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and type in Baby Shiba Inu. I have mine toggled on. As you guys can see, actually I already owned it in the past, so it just added more to my balance. But let's say this is your guys' first time purchasing it, you guys will not be able to see it on your guys' account. So if you guys search for it, you guys will not see it. One thing you guys have to do, and you guys don't have to panic because you guys do own it, you guys just have to turn it on. So on the top right corner, you're gonna see two little toggles. We're gonna go ahead and click on it and go ahead and type it in manually, Baby Shiba Inu. Like as you guys can see, it shows right here. So all we have to do is just toggle it on. So I'm going to toggle it on right now. And as you guys can see, it would appear here. So I'm going to scroll down and look for it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you guys purchase Baby Shiba Inu. I hope this video was useful and helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them on the comment section below. If you guys are interested in learning how to purchase another coin, you guys can go ahead and leave them on the comments, and I can go ahead and show you guys how to purchase any other coins. And yeah, this has been Everything Crypto, and I hope you guys have a good one. All right, thanks.